Ladies and gentlemen, with great pleasure, I welcome you all to this annual general body meeting. The past difficult year has turned out to be a good one for your company. Thanks to the policies and programs we have followed at along which we continue to pursue in future also. We secured a major share of the domestic and export markets. We were responsive to the needs and desire of our hard hit customers and gave even better and more durable vehicles. With numerous improvements, we enlarged our service facilities, improved replacement part facilities, arranged on the spot settlement of warranty claims, and so provided prompt and effective after sales services to our growing list of customers. The investments made in our branches enable us to produce and sell more spare parts, and thanks to the efforts and enthusiasm of all our employees, we were able to produce 90% of our installed capacity, which provided better profits, which again help your company to give bonus and proceed with our expansion plans. Para. We are doing well in our export activities. Last year we achieved record exports of over rupees 20 crores, and this year we expect further substantial increase. Together with the export of vehicles, we are providing now how personal and managerial assistance for the management of dealership and service centers for our products. The ability to provide these services are useful in the markets where, despite our government's export assistance, we find ourselves not fit for the purpose. The expansion plan in various places is moving according to our schedule. The branches could not be run to maximum because of shortage of power and other reasons beyond our control. However, every possible step is being taken to see what best could be to eco improve situation. Para. Oh, you are aware we are engaged in industry which is vital for the progress of developing countries. The commercial vehicle industry plays important role in the efficient movement of people, agricultural goods, raw materials, finished goods, etc. It provides employment to a large section of population. It leads to the growth of other industries. In conclusion, I wish to thank my colleagues on the board of management, staff members and employees whose sincere efforts have combined to complete another successful year for the company, and wish you all the best of luck. Thank you all.